everybody, we're back again working on the farm. We was off for a couple weeks doing solar work. Now we have a solar company, but anyway, we're back working on the farm. My brother-in-laws are up putting some trim work on the roof, so I always walk through the house a little bit. Get some noise, sorry about the noise. But this will be our that comes in and before your entrance and comes in, goes into our living room, and then this is the bedroom side. Our bedroom with a master bedroom, and then Michiko's bedroom. One of the things we've done is we have a half bath here.
It's like a powder room.
Powder room, and then our kitchen and dining room will be over there. But when we designed this, went back to the same study that I used, a white paper that was written by a couple gentlemen that were at the University of Ballentine. There were some things that they had talked about. High ceilings. Our ceilings are 9 foot tall, and the reason for that is to allow the heat to be able to be up higher. The rooms don't get as hot, but we will also have a ventilation system that draws from there and discharge comes in on both these and discharges out in our attic as well. The other thing that the white paper talked about was windows in our bedroom and in our dining room. The windows go almost floor to ceiling, and we put those on the sides where our wind comes from most of the time during the summertime, our breeze, and that allows the cooler air to be pulled in the bottom and the warm air pushed out the top. That was part of their deal that they talked about in the white paper. The other thing was they said, and it makes sense, put your bedrooms on the sunrise side so that in the morning, of course, you get up in the morning, it's not so much, but it also in the afternoon and the evening time, the sun is setting on the other side of the house. So it's easier to cool your bedrooms down. They're not on direct sunlight like it is when the sun is down on the other side. And so that's what we did. We designed it that way. We also designed the house based off of airflow and the way the sun, this is my little goddaughter. Oh. But we also put the kitchen on the side where the wind blows through the house. So you're not cooking and warming up and blowing everything through the house. You're cooking and it's actually getting out the windows there. So those are some of the things we tried to incorporate in the house when we were doing it, because anything we can do in the tropics to help, it makes a lot of difference. Ah, oh hey, you got that pretty, huh? Oh, you found the word for it? Right.